So what is differentiation?
Differentiation is a teacher's response to a learner's needs. Over the last 2 years, I've seen some exemplary examples of differentiation in the classroom. Teachers create differentiation around a high-quality curriculum, the use of formative assessment, and by creating a safe learning environment. Here are my top tips for differentiation in the classroom. Differentiation is more than creating separate activities and learning objectives. It doesn't mean that students just do more work. However, it does mean tweaking activities. So that they have the right scaffolds and support to excel in their learning. So what is differentiation? You need to know where your students are and understand that they are all individual learners. You need to start with the end in mind and know what content needs to be taught to reach your end goal, along with taking into account what the children actually need, and to create an environment that your students can actually grow and succeed in, where they can take ownership for their own learning and move their learning on independently to achieve their end-of-year targets. I hope you found my tips useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, advice, resources and reviews. Thank you for watching.